Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is what is ad hoc testing. So what is the definition of ad hoc testing? Testing, randomly testing an application without referring to requirement document or without following any procedure, that is ad hoc testing. So what is the definition of ad hoc testing? Randomly test an application. Three words are important. Randomly test an application without referring to requirement document or without following any procedure. That is ad hoc testing. Randomly test an application without following any procedure or without referring to requirement document, that is ad hoc testing. So ad hoc testing are also called as negative testing. Why ad hoc testing are also called as negative testing? Because tester may identify negative scenario. For that reason, ad hoc testing are also called as negative testing. There are four types of ad hoc testing. There are four types of ad hoc testing. First is monkey testing. What is monkey testing? Monkey testing means tester will identify creative scenario on all assigned feature and then try to perform ad hoc testing. That is monkey testing. Suppose tester P is there and this tester test lead will assign feature ABC to this P tester. So P tester, why will do P tester? P tester will perform or identify creative scenario on their own assigned feature, that is A, B, C, and then perform ad hoc testing. This is monkey testing. Means tester identify creative scenario on own assigned feature and then perform ad hoc testing. That is monkey testing. Second type of ad hoc testing is pair testing. Pair means two. So there are two testers are involved in pair testing. One tester is identify creative scenario and other tester perform ad hoc testing. Suppose tester P and tester Q are involved in pair testing. So P tester will identify creative scenario and Q tester perform ad hoc testing. That is pair testing. Third type of ad hoc testing is interchange testing. What is interchange testing? Third type is interchange testing. Interchange testing means tester will identify creative scenario on other tester assigned feature and then perform ad hoc testing. Suppose tester P is there and tester Q is there. This is tester. And P test lead will assign P tester feature X, Y, Z and Q tester feature is P, Q, R. P tester will identify creative scenario on Q assigned feature, that is P, Q, R, and Q tester will identify creative scenario on X, Y, Z feature. These features are assigned to P. So this is interchange testing. And fourth type of ad hoc testing is buddy testing. A very interesting name, buddy testing. Buddy testing, developer or tester both are involved. What will be developer do? Developer explain internal structure and coding forwarding of feature to tester, and then tester perform ad hoc testing on that feature. This is buddy testing. So we see definition of ad hoc testing. What are the different types of ad hoc testing? 4 types of ad hoc testing. First is monkey testing, second is pair testing, third is interchange testing, and fourth is buddy testing. We will see one example of ad hoc testing. Suppose we have to perform testing on WhatsApp profile picture, upload feature of profile pic. So in normal testing, what we will do? Open app first of all, then click on setting, then click on edit, then choose gallery option, select one image, crop those image and upload. This is normal procedure of upload profile pic in WhatsApp application. So how we will perform ad hoc testing on that? So ad hoc testing, first of all, open app, second is click on setting, third is click on edit, fourth is select gallery option, fifth is select one image, then sixth step is minimize, select and crop also, crop those image, then minimize WhatsApp application, seven is open gallery application, eight is delete those selected image, ninth is again open WhatsApp application, and try to upload those deleted image and see those image will be uploaded or not. This is ad hoc testing. So in this video, what we have to see, that is what is the definition of ad hoc testing, what are the different types of ad hoc testing, and one example of ad hoc testing. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.